Assalamualaikum teacher, how are you today? I hope you're fine. And how was your day today? Mine is kinda boring. So, in today's video, I'll cook a dish called fried noodle. Hope you like it. So, without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, we need to heat the pan. Before adding any ingredients, make sure the pan is dry. Then put some oil. After that, put the minced onions. When the onions look brown, put the eggs, but remember, not the shell. After that, stir all the ingredients together. Next, put the chilies. Then, put the curry seasoning for the taste. Then, add some water. After that, put the sausages and the crab rolls. Lastly, put the noodles. Then, mix them. Then, turn off the heat. Now, fried noodle is ready to serve. Sorry for all the mistakes.